get your Bybit account verified. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Bybit account verified. For that, you need to open your Bybit application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here, if you haven't verified your account yet, you will find this Verify Now button at the top. If in case you didn't find this button, then you may tap on the profile icon at the top right, and there you need to tap on this Unverified ID. Once you do so, at the bottom you will be able to see Verify Now button. Tap on this button, and here you will reach to this page. Tap on this Verify Now button at the very bottom. Once doing that, here you need to select the type of document you would like to add to verify your identity. Once you have selected one of these documents, tap on this Continue button at the bottom. Once doing that, you will be redirected to a new page. Select whether you are US resident or not. Once you have selected it, tap on this Continue button at the bottom. Now you will be taken to this page. After that, you will be asked to take the photo of your document and send it. After that, your verification request will be reviewed. The process may take few minutes to few days depending on Bybit's workload. And after that, you will receive an email notification regarding the status of your verification. You need to ensure all the documents are clear and legible. So by following these steps, you should be able to get your Bybit account verified. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.